The company Nexat presents a completely new harvesting system, which has only become possible through the latest technical developments. As the basic framework, the 1100 horsepower Nexat tractor is used, also known as a wide-span interchangeable carrier vehicle. Various attachments for soil cultivation, sowing, and harvesting can be attached to this machine. The work is carried out using the controlled traffic farming method. The Beet Harvester Tiger 8 is one technological advancement that is helping farmers achieve greater efficiency and productivity in harvesting sugar beets. It's a self-propelled machine that's designed to lift and separate sugar beets from the soil. It's equipped with a series of advanced features, including automatic steering, high-resolution cameras, and adjustable lifting system. The Tiger 8 is also equipped with a cleaning system that can remove excess dirt and debris from the sugar beets. Now you see the self-propelled fertilizer spreader, the Vervet Hydrotrike with attachments, Veenhouse Uroject 3500. Using the right method of distribution fertilizer allows you to maximize all the properties and keep emissions to the atmosphere to a minimum. By adopting this technology, farmers can optimize their use of resources, reduce waste, and contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural sector. One of the essential jobs in farming is soil preparation, and the use of a stubble cultivator with a John Deere tractor can make this task much more efficient. The stubble cultivator is an implement that is attached to the rear of the tractor and is used to till the soil after the harvest of the crops. It is designed to break up the soil and to mix the crop residue with the soil. The CAT 6040 excavator is specifically designed for large-scale mining operations and heavy-duty excavation projects. With a weight of approximately 1,400 tons, this excavator is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world. These include a high-capacity bucket, which can hold up to 34 cubic meters of material, and a powerful hydraulic system that allows the operator to move large amounts of earth and rock quickly and efficiently. The Gens SF Hacker HEM 821 DQ Cobra Plus Hybrid is a powerful and innovative wood chipper designed for heavy-duty use in the forestry and biomass industries. The machine is equipped with a number of safety features, including automatic shutdown systems and emergency stop buttons to help protect operators from accidents and injuries. One of the most significant advancements in slurry spreading technology is the development of umbilical spreading systems. These systems use a series of hoses to transport the slurry from storage tanks to the application site, reducing the need for heavy machinery and minimizing soil compaction. The system is controlled by a computer, allowing for precise application rates and ensuring that the slurry is spread evenly across the field. Another high-powered tractor that is designed to provide farmers with the performance, efficiency, and reliability they need to get the job done is the Case IH Stager Quadtrac 550. Its 4-track design provides several advantages over traditional wheeled tractors, including increased traction, reduced soil compaction, and improved maneuverability. The 4 tracks also help to distribute the weight of the tractor more evenly, which can help to reduce soil damage and improve overall field performance. A snow groomer is a self-propelled vehicle on tracks, based on the design of a tractor. This type of transportation is intended for preparing ski trails and mountain snow-covered slopes, transporting people and rescue operations. The movement of the vehicle is provided by wide tracks with spikes, ensuring stability and allowing it to move on snowy mountain slopes. The tracks are over 1 meter wide, exerting little pressure on the snow and providing excellent stability on mountain slopes. The Cut Grapple Woodcracker CS 780 is a powerful and versatile forestry attachment that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest woodcutting and logging tasks. This attachment is designed to be used with a variety of different machines, including excavators and skid teeters, making it a versatile addition to any forestry operation. The Fendt Ideal 9T is a state-of-the-art combine harvester that has become a popular choice among farmers due to its advanced technology, high performance, and ease of use. Manufactured by AGCO Corporation, the Fendt Ideal 9T is designed to handle large fields and challenging harvest conditions, making it a valuable addition to any farm operation. One of the key features of the Fendt Ideal 9T is its unique hybrid design. The Horschli P2 280 is a state-of-the-art self-propelled sprayer designed for precision agriculture. This advanced technology is designed to ensure precise application of crop protection products even at high speeds. It features individual nozzle control and automatic boom height adjustment, which helps to reduce overlap and prevent drift. This technology also allows farmers to save on chemical costs and improve their crop yield. Together, the John Deere 9570 and Great Plains Turbo Max provides farmers with a powerful and efficient solution for preparing their land for planting. With their advanced technologies and rugged construction, these machines are capable of handling even the toughest agricultural tasks with ease, making them an essential tool for modern farming operations. The Turbo Max is equipped with a range of advanced features, including adjustable disc gangs and hydraulically adjustable depth control. The Challenger MT765C is a powerful and versatile crawler tractor produced by AGCO Corporation, one of the world's leading manufacturers of agricultural equipment. One of the key benefits of this tractor is its advanced track system. The tractor is equipped with a heavy-duty track system that provides superior traction and flotation on a wide range of soil types, allowing it to operate effectively in challenging field conditions. The Wirtgen W2000 is a powerful and versatile cold milling machine that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest asphalt and concrete surfaces. This machine is equipped with a range of advanced features and technologies, making it a top choice for professionals in the construction and road building industries. The drum is designed to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring that it can withstand even the toughest milling jobs. A bucket wheel excavator is a large piece of heavy equipment used in surface mining to extract minerals from open-pit mines. In a lignite quarry, bucket wheel excavators are typically used to extract lignite, which is a type of low-grade coal that is used primarily for energy production. The excavator is equipped with a large rotating wheel, or bucket wheel, that is fitted with a series of digging buckets. Additionally, it can be operated in a variety of weather conditions, making them highly versatile and reliable. The JCB 8330 is a powerful tractor with a robust design that makes it ideal for handling heavy-duty tasks like slurry spreading. It features a large capacity tank that can hold a significant amount of liquid manure, which makes it possible to cover large areas of farmland without needing frequent refills. The tractor also comes equipped with a specialized spreading mechanism that ensures even distribution of the liquid manure across the field. The Krone Pellet Mill Primos 5000 is a high-tech machine that is designed to convert a variety of agricultural materials into high-quality feed pellets. The Primos 5000 is equipped with a powerful hammer mill that is capable of crushing and grinding a wide range of materials, including corn, wheat, barley, and soybeans. The ground material is then compressed into dense pellets using a state-of-the-art pellet mill. Track tractors are an essential tool for farmers, especially when working on hilly and uneven terrain. The Fendt 900 Vario MT is a tracked tractor that's designed to deliver maximum power and efficiency in even the most challenging conditions. It's equipped with a high-performance engine that can produce up to 390 horsepower, making it an ideal choice for demanding tasks such as plowing, tilling, and cultivating. The Burgalt Model 71300 is one of the largest planters available on the market today. designed for large-scale farming operations that require high productivity and efficiency. With a working width of up to 130 feet, this planter can cover a significant area in a single pass, making it ideal for large fields and reducing the time required for planting. The crawler excavator Atlas is a versatile machine that is widely used in forest production. It is a powerful, heavy-duty excavator that is designed to handle tough terrain, making it ideal for use in the forest. The machine can be used to clear a path through the forest, removing trees, rocks, and other obstacles as necessary. It can also be used to level the ground and create a smooth surface for vehicles to travel on. The Fed Ideal 9T also includes a number of advanced features that improve the harvesting process. For example, the harvester includes a high-resolution camera system that provides real-time monitoring of the harvesting process, allowing the operator to quickly detect and address any issues that may arise. The machine also includes an advanced cleaning system that can be adjusted to suit different crop conditions, ensuring that only high-quality grain is harvested. Front cutter blowers, or FCBs, are a type of snow removal equipment used primarily in regions that receive heavy snowfall during winter. These machines are designed to be attached to the front of a tractor and are used to cut and move snow out of the way. The FCBs consist of a large rotating blade located at the front of the machine that is used to cut through the snow. The John Deere 672 GP Grader is a powerful and versatile machine designed for use in the construction and maintenance of roads, airports, and other large-scale infrastructure projects. With its advanced features and technologies, this grader provides precise grading and shaping capabilities, allowing operators to achieve smooth and even surfaces on a wide range of terrain. The double-row disc Ripperbrack T26B is a heavy-duty forestry attachment used for ground preparation before planting. It is designed to rip up tough soil and break up any hard ground, leaving behind a more suitable environment for planting trees. The attachment features 2 rows of ripper discs that are mounted on a strong steel frame. The ripper discs are made of high-grade steel, making them tough and durable. Tigges Perlit is a heavy-duty cultivator designed for use in commercial farming applications. It is manufactured by Tigges, a German company that specializes in producing agricultural equipment. The Perlit model is designed to be used with tractors and other farm machinery, and it is known for its high-quality construction and durability. The cultivator has a working width of 3 meters and a total weight of around 900 kilograms. The pneumatic disc seeder consists of a seed hopper, a seed metering mechanism, a pneumatic delivery system, and a series of discs or plates that create furrows in the soil and deposit the seeds. The discs can be adjusted to vary the depth and spacing of the furrows, allowing farmers to customize their planting to suit the specific requirements of different crops and soil conditions. One of the key benefits of the pneumatic disc seeder is its precision. Bale forks are an essential piece of farm machinery that is used to move and transport large hay bales. They consist of a set of sturdy prongs that are attached to a tractor or loader, allowing farmers to easily lift and move bales from one location to another. One popular model of bale forks is the TDD series from Goweil Maschinenbau GmbH. They can be used with a wide range of bale sizes and shapes, making them ideal for a variety of farming operations. The New Holland Grain Corn Harvester is a highly efficient and productive machine that is specifically designed to harvest grain corn. It comes with a powerful engine that provides the necessary power to the machine, allowing it to operate smoothly and quickly. The harvester is designed with a large capacity grain tank that enables it to harvest and store large amounts of grain corn. The harvester is designed with a specialized header that's equipped with multiple rows of knives. Kahlbacher is an Austrian company that specializes in producing snow removal equipment for commercial and industrial use. One of their key product lines is their milling rotor snow blowers, which are designed to quickly and efficiently clear large amounts of snow from roads, runways, and other surfaces. They work by using a high-speed rotor to cut and mill the snow before blowing it out through a chute.